Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can use the TO BCD command in LS PLC. We will open our XG5000 software and here we will click in at F10. And after you can see in the function list, this the first command is the TO BCD. What's the meaning of this TO BCD? I wrote down some notes for you and I will share with you. In a PLC, BCD stands for binary coded decimal and it is a specific numerical data format where each individual decimal digit is represented by a 4-bit binary sequence. How BCD works? In standard binary, a whole decimal number is converted into one long string of binary digits. In BCD, the number is separated into its individual decimal digits and each digit is translated into binary separately. And next, why is BCD used in the PLCs? Historically, BCD was incredibly popular in industrial automation for interfacing with specific hardware that operates on a digit by digit basis. Like thumb wheel switches, physical dials used by operators to input numbers into a machine. If a thumb wheel is set to example 5, it sends the 4-bit BCD code for 5 directly to the PLC input card. Or another 7-segment displays, digital scoreboards or readouts on factory floors. The PLC sends a BCD code to the display so it knows exactly which numbers to light up. And last and important rule, converting before math, you generally cannot perform normal math directly on BCD numbers. Standard binary math counts up to 15 in a 4-bit space, but BCD only counts up to 9. If you try to add two BCD numbers together using standard math instructions, the result will be gibberish. So next with the example, we will verify this command in our ladder logic. Input address, if you like to be put, you can put. If you no like to be put any address, you can direct put it the data register here. For an example, MB 10 I will be type and this data I will be moves into the outputs directly. For example, percentage QB0.0 we will be type, and next for to verify this our QB0 memory bits, we will put some inputs 0.1. Now first we will be use this Q0.0 and next we will be choose 0.1 for an example, and third we will be choose for 2 and 3, and next we will choose 4, and next we will choose for 5, and next we will choose for 6, and one more bit we will be add for the 7, and next any output we will be put for QX10 for example, or any you can choose. Only just we have to be make it any. This is how it's working any. So this program we will be download into the PLC. Click it on the right, click OK, and put it into stop mode until the program will be written into the PLC. Click on yes, click OK, and make the monitor. And now you can see MB10 is the 0 value. For an example, I will type it here for the 2, and you can see that the second bit is on. Means this is the first bit and this is the second bit. If you next, if we type here for an example 4, and after you can see next bit is on, and this is the 4 number is the binary also 4. And if we put here 8 for an example, and after you can see it forward the 8 also, this is converted look like 8 up to 9, this is give you 0.3 is on. And for an example, now we will be type the 16, and when you type the 16, after you can see there is the answer is 22. Why this is the answer is 22? This is the binary digit. So how to verify this binary digit 22? We will go into our decimal converter, and for an example here we will be put 22, already is 22, convert into the binary number digits. Total digits are 5, and you can see first bit is 0, first bit is not on, and second 2 bits are on, and third bit is off, and last is the QB04 is last on. One more example we will take. For an example here we will be type the 32 and click OK, and you can see our decimal converted into the binary. This is 50. This is 50 number is basically number how much we will be write it here the 52 50 50 and convert this into the binary, and after you can see the answer is first bit is 0, first bit is off, and second bit is on, third is off, fourth is off, and last 2 bits are on, right? So this way you can convert it any decimal or any cent or any DIN data you can transfer into the binary. So hope guys you will be understand about this to BCD command. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.